Zircle Spark brings every lead into one clear dashboard, so you know exactly who needs attention today. Each lead has its full history, calls, notes, follow-ups, so nothing depends on memory or WhatsApp messages. The moment you change a lead's status, Spark automatically asks for the next required details. This removes guesswork. Your team never forgets what to do next. Spark remembers for them. Scheduling a site survey is just one click. Spark captures who's going and when automatically. Once the site visit is done, the lead automatically moves into a separate deal pipeline. This keeps pre-visit leads and serious deals completely separate, so your sales team stays focused. Once the deal is closed, Spark hands everything cleanly to operations. No information loss, no rework. Managers get instant visibility without calling the team or opening Excel file. Zircle Spark replaces scattered tools with one clear system, so your team closes faster, follows up better, and never loses a lead. Want to see Spark in action? Book a demo today.